Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. And this morning, a video with an update about Reyna Silver, as Reyna, which I've talked about many times on the show before, has some news coming out from their Medicine Springs project, where they have announced a winter pause from drilling. Reyna did begin their drilling program at Medicine Springs just a few months ago, and they've now completed 1,850 meters in a total of 4 widely spaced holes designed to determine the broad system parameters in Silver Butte and Silver King areas. These samples have been sent to the lab, and they're looking forward to the results, which will be coming out in early 2023. And we have a note here from Jorge Ramiro Monroy of Reyna Silver, who mentions, "We prioritize drilling in the Silver Butte area because it's further from our access points and at a higher elevation. We're pleased to be able to complete the first holes ever drilled into the area before the weather closed in. And they're looking forward to resuming in the spring after seeing how the results from this highly prospective part of the property fit into their emerging district picture. And again, that they're going to have the assay results in early 2023. Of course, one of the things that they've been excited about at Medicine Springs is that it does exhibit many of the key features of a carbonate replacement deposit, and that phase 1 drilling program was designed to test a lot of those features to verify the project's potential. So again, taking a pause there at Medicine Springs, and they will resume drilling in the spring. Although they did have some other news out about the project as well, as they have entered into a definitive agreement enabling them to acquire 100% of the Medicine Springs project. Jorge mentions here that the initial drilling results continue to increase their confidence in Medicine Springs, and they have increased their optionality to 100%, which previously had been an 80% interest in the Medicine Springs project. This was a deal they had with Northern Lights Resources that included an additional $1 million US payment, as well as a free carry until a certain amount was spent. And the new agreement eliminates both of those obligations to Northern Lights, replaced by assuming all of Northern Lights' obligations under the underlying option agreement with the property owners, paying Northern Lights $100,000 in cash, issuing Northern Lights 6 million common shares in the capital of the company, and granting Northern Lights a 1% net smelter return royalty on the mining production received by the company on the Medicine Springs project. And as part of the acquisition agreement, this allows Reyna to, at any time, buy back 1/2 of that royalty from Northern Lights for $2.5 million. The 6 million consideration shares will be subject to contractual resale restrictions over a 24-month period, with an initial 6-month lockup and a release every 6 months thereafter. But now with the new agreement, Reyna does have a 100% interest in the Medicine Springs project. And of course, that's in addition to their 2 other projects down in Mexico at Batopilas and Gigi. At Batopilas this year, they completed a sampling program that identified new silver and gold silver veins, which they're looking forward to getting further definition on in their next round of drilling. And at Gigi in 2022, they've been completing a geophysical survey to define the drill targets and identify the possibility of mineralization higher up as well. And they are looking forward to testing those refined targets in 2023. So congratulations to Reyna Silver on all the progress they've made in 2022 on all 3 of their projects. You can find out more about all of those projects at reynasilver.com, as well as the drill results that they've already come back with and released. So again, congratulations to Reyna Silver on a great year of progress in 2022. And to find out a little bit more about the Medicine Springs drilling project, I did recently talk with Lauren McGaugh from Reyna Silver. And to hear what she had to say about that, well, just click on the video that's coming your way now.